Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes, this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today we're talking about something. Everyone thinks about money.
Yes, but not just money. We're talking about saving for dreams. How to talk about your money goals in English.
Ooh, I like that. So Alice, tell us, what's one of your dreams?
I want to travel to Japan someday, so I'm saving up little by little.
Nice. And notice that. She said saving up. That's a great phrasal verb meaning to keep money for something special.
Let's learn some useful words and phrases. 1. Save up, to keep money for something. Example, I'm saving up for a new laptop. 2. Budget, a plan for how to spend and save your money. Example, I made a budget so I don't spend too much. 3. Goal, something you want to achieve. Example, my goal is to buy my own house.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'm saving up for my dream. I made a budget. My goal is to travel the world. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I wanted a new camera for my YouTube videos. But it was so expensive.
Oh, I remember that. You stopped buying coffee every day and started saving instead.
Yes. I made small changes, and after 3 months, I finally bought it.
See? Small habits make big dreams come true.
Exactly. As we say in English, every penny counts. That idiom means even. Small amounts of money can make a difference.
Okay, everyone, let's repeat together. Every penny counts. I'm saving for my dreams. I believe I can do it.
Awesome. You sound great. Here are some expressions you can use. When talking about money goals, I'm putting money aside each month. I'm saving little by little. I'm working toward my dream.
You can use these in real conversations with friends, co-workers, or even in interviews. Remember, learning English and saving money both take time, but every step counts.
Yes, be patient, stay consistent, and believe in your goals.
Thanks for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe it, and share it with your friends.
See you next time on Amjee's English World.